Are read recepts not working on Signal? If messages aren't showing as read recepts won't send or the feature seems disabled. In this video, I will show you how to fix read recepts on Signal app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Signal app, as you see, and you will tap here. Then this page will move to above and you will click on the profile here. You will tap on your profile. After that, in this page of profile, you will move until you find here privacy, so you will tap on your privacy. Then here in this window you will find this feature of read recepts, so you will tap here to fix this problem or to solve this, as you see here, to solve this problem of read recepts on the application of Signal. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.